Hello friends, welcome to Ranju's Food Fusion. I'm Ranju. Today I'm going to make Veggie Supreme Pizza. This is the best recipe for pizza I can say, as I make pizza every weekend. So let's start the recipe.
Firstly, take 2.5 cup of warm water. Add 3 teaspoons of instant yeast to it. Now add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Sugar actually helps the yeast to activate. Mix it together. Now cover it and leave it for 10 minutes. Here I have taken 4.5 cup of all-purpose flour and 1.5 cup of whole wheat flour. If you want, you can use only all-purpose flour. I like to add some whole wheat flour. With this amount of flour, I can make 3 medium-sized pizza. Mix both the flour really well. Now add 2 teaspoons of salt. Mix it well. Now it's already 10 minutes and you can see here the yeast actually activate really nice. Mix it well. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using here olive oil. You can use any other cooking oil if you want. Mix it again. Now add this water to the flour. And make a soft and smooth dough. Add extra water if required. Once everything is combined, now take few drops of oil on your hand and collect the dough. And cover it and keep it on a warm place for 1 to 1.5 hours, and dough will rise and get double in size. Now grate some mozzarella for the topping. As we are making today Veggie Supreme Pizza, so here I have some vegetables such as onion, orange bell pepper, green pepper, some baby tomatoes, broccoli and olives. You can choose topping according to your choice. Here it's already 1 hour and you can see how the dough is already doubled up. Now take some oil and just collect the dough and punch it to get all the extra air out of it. Now sprinkle some flour on a counter surface or in any tray. Transfer all the dough. Just knead it for 1 to 2 minutes. With this amount of dough, you can make 3 medium-sized pizza. Medium size means 12-inch pizza or maybe 2 extra large size pizza. You can keep rest of the dough in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days and you can use it whenever you want. You can actually make bhaturas with the leftover dough also. This dough recipe is not exactly as bhatura's dough recipe, but this one works for bhaturas very good too. Now divide this dough into 3 equal portions, as we can make 3 medium-sized pizza with this much amount of dough. Now make dough ball with each portion. Take one ball of dough and roll the pizza base. Now sprinkle some cornmeal in a pizza baking tray. This is optional. If you don't have it, you can skip it, but this one gives a nice crust to the pizza base. Now sprinkle some all-purpose flour. If you are rolling your pizza directly in a baking tray, then just lift your pizza by half and half from both sides and sprinkle some cornmeal and all-purpose flour there too, and transfer the pizza base into baking tray. Or you can actually roll the pizza directly in the baking tray. And this baking tray is for 12 inch size, and here we got 12-inch medium size pizza with one portion of the dough. Now spread some pizza sauce. Now add grated mozzarella cheese. Now for the topping. Firstly place some onion. Then place some green pepper. Now place some orange pepper. Now some broccoli. Some chopped baby tomatoes. And now some olives. And here is our pizza ready to bake. Now preheat the oven at 475 Fahrenheit or 250 centigrade. Bake the pizza for 15 minutes or until pizza crust becomes golden brown. After baking, broil the pizza for 3 to 4 minutes so the cheese from the top can get little golden brown. It depends on the type of an oven. Sometimes cheese from the top gets brown while baking also. So do it if it's required. And here is our pizza ready to enjoy. Pizza is really a staple diet at my home, I can say it. My whole family loves it. And every Friday dinner, I make pizza the same way. And here you can see. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe Ranju's Food Fusion for more recipes.
So this was simple and easy way to make pizza, and you can do topping of your choice. Please try the recipe and enjoy.